you called. I really appreciate it. Up next is Delma in Sandusky, Ohio. Welcome. Great to have you here.
Thank you, Rush. It's nice to be here. Megadodos, and God bless.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
I have a comment. From the first time, since President Trump was elected, I saw Chris Wallace on his Sunday show on Fox. And from the very first beginning, when Trump said that the media was the enemy of the people, I saw Chris Wallace on his Sunday show. He made a comment about that. Obviously, he's part of the media, and he was very offended about that remark. He said that I am part of the media, and I am not the enemy of the people. And ever since then, he was quite offended, and he made those remarks. And he has obviously been against Trump, and he's very quiet about it. He's very sneaky about it, that he is against Trump. He always has been. And if you watch his interviews and the things he says about Trump, and even Trump at that last interview that he had with Chris Wallace at the White House, Trump even alluded to those things and how he does treat him, and that Chris Wallace isn't quite fair in his interviews or his different things he says about it.
I hear this, and I understand your thinking on it. But all I can do is put myself to try to understand this. My whole career, Delma, I have had to hear. There was a cover story on Time magazine with a picture of me that was doctored. It had my mouth in a very churlish expression with cigar smoke coming out of it. Is Rush Limbaugh good for America? I had to put up with. Is there too much democracy because of talk radio? I've had my career insulted. I've had the industry that I'm in, talk radio, insulted. I have been personally insulted by it all. By people that name names. Put me on the cover of Time magazine. Is Rush Limbaugh bad for America? And I don't take any of it personally. And I wouldn't, if I encountered the people at Time magazine who doctored the photo and then wrote the story, I wouldn't treat them any differently than if I didn't know who they were. Now that's just me. I can't. You may be right and I know these journalists take themselves deadly seriously. That's the other thing. I do not take myself so damn seriously that I can't be criticized. But I do assess the criticism. The criticism that I just described to you that I got is just over the top. It's jealousy. It's jealousy of a whole lot of things. So I kind of just smile. I thank God for my enemies. I thank God for waking up every day. So it's hard for me to relate to people who would get upset with Trump. Media is the enemy of the people. I can understand getting mad at it, but to carry a grudge around because of it is something I can't relate. But you might be right. That might explain why there's this never-ending harping on white supremacy. Who started this?